Jordan, who brought all this for you?
Randy Rabbit.
The Randy Rabbit?
Yeah.
What did he bring you? Show Mommy. Oh, did you find all those?
Yeah.
All over the house?
Yeah.
What did he bring you in your Easter basket?
And leave it here.
He left it here for you? What did he bring you?
Candy.
And what else?
I don't know.
What's that?
Hulk, Spider-Man.
He brought you coloring books?
Yeah.
You're lucky.
Hulk. No, that Spider-Man. That Hulk.
Wow.
Him bigger. Him Spider-Man's bigger. Hulk's bigger.
Really? Did he bring you all these eggs?
Yes. No.
No?
No Hulk did.
No, Hulk didn't. Who brought them for you? Who brought all these eggs for you?
Look at Hulk and Spider-Man.
Who brought all this stuff for you?
Bunny Rabbit.
The Runny Rabbit?
Yeah, I don't see it anymore. I have eye goobies.
You do?
I taking them out.
You're taking them out?
I want this, Mommy.
Did he bring you that too?
I want it. Oops, you have one more. Don't see.
Say bye, camera.
Bye, Grandma.